Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I made oats khichdi, which is gluten free, very delicious yet very simple to make. So you can indulge in this gluten free oats khichdi without any guilt at it, as it contains very less calories as compared to rice. So it will be very good when you are in a weight loss journey. So it's very simple to make one pot meal. So at first I just soak these oats. So these are rolled oats, not regular flattened oats. So that's why I soaked it in water for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes the soak has softened a bit and I strained the water. Now in another bowl I am going to take lentils. So here is yellow lentils, and I have taken half a cup of yellow lentils and half a cup of red lentils or masoor dal. So moong dal and masoor dal, half a cup I have taken, and I am going to wash it very nicely because this dal has lot of powders in it as we bring it from the market. So I am going to wash it nicely thoroughly with water. So I have washed these lentils 2 times with a glass of water, so that there are no darts in it, because these powders are, or also if there is any dart, it will be very harmful for our health. So now I am going to strain the water. So throw away the water. Now I am going to put a pressure cooker in the gas stove. So I'm going to put 2 spoon of mustard oil. So you can use any other oil or ghee or butter, anything which you like, you can use it. So once the oil is been heated, I am going to put half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and then I'm going to add little bit like half onion, a small size onion, chopped onion, half chopped onion, and then fry it nicely. Now I'm going to add here 2 slit green chilies and 1 chopped tomatoes, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, and then I'm going to mix it very nicely and cook it until this tomatoes, onions become very mushy and it softens a bit. So I'm going to add here little bit of water so that the masalas does not get burned. So I'm going to add here little 1 spoon of salt as per taste, and then now I am going to cook it very nicely and putting little bit of water so that it gets softens, the tomato gets softened fast. So friends, see the tomatoes are getting become softened. Now I am going to add the veggies. So here I am going to add half a cup of green peas and half a cup of corn, sweet corn. So you can add any vegetable of your choice, like that can be green peas, potatoes, or cauliflower, broccoli, but I had green peas and corn, so I add that. So now I am going to add here the soaked oats and the soaked dal also, and then mix it very nicely with the help of the spatula. And then friends, I am going to add here 2 cups of water. So here I have 2 cups of oats, so I am going to add 2 cups of water because there are a lot other vegetables and dal. So 2 cups of water and 2 cups of the all the ingredients. And then now I am going to close the pressure cooker, and I am going to cook it for the 2 whistle. So it doesn't take much time. So I'm going to cook it for the 2 whistle, and then I'll let it cook for 15 minutes. So friends, see, after 15 minutes the healthy and tasty oats khichdi is ready. It looks so yummy.